Hey, Miranda, this is Coach Miranda Miner, and I'm very excited to welcome you on the day 2 of the Philippine Blockchain Week 2025 here in the SMX Convention Center with the theme Decoded.
Let's take this evening to celebrate how far we've come, recognize those leading the way, and recommit to building a blockchain-powered future, not just for the Philippines, but for the world. Congratulations in advance to all our awardees, and to everyone, thank you for being part of this historic night. Mabuhay ang Web3, mabuhay ang Pilipinas.
Educator of the Year goes to Global Miranda Miner Group, GMMG.
We exist to educate. I like what Chair Donald said earlier in his speech. The operative word, one of the 3 operative words was to educate. And I believe each and every one of us here have the same purpose and passion to educate the community.
From DAOs to digital identity, you are the builders of the new internet. And this is your time.